Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video and welcome back to another look at XRP on the daily time frame here. Just doing another daily update for you. As always, like and subscribe before we begin, really helps out the channel. With that being said, we are just taking a little look at XRP here. You can see we are still trickling to the downside, as I've been saying for the past few has it been the past few days? The past few times that I've looked at XRP, I have been saying that basically we have been trickling to the downside here. Obviously the huge pump off the back of that really bullish SEC case ruling for Ripple Labs, obviously really good for XRP. Huge spike to the upside, coiling motion, come up and retest the high, come down, retest the low, and now looking like we are just bouncing in between the low and this 0.50 Fibonacci level at around 74 cents here. You can see putting a little bit of a range in this local area for the past week or so. Really, we haven't been seeing that much movement in the market for XRP. You could see obviously a little roll to the downside here, trying to push to the downside, but obviously you could see the bounce back up into this area down here at around the 67-68 cent level. Getting quite well defended as a support right now. I have been saying that it's probably fairly likely, in my opinion, that we'll continue to trickle to the downside like this for XRP to fill in some of this massive gap that we've made with this huge pump. Obviously a breakout backtest scenario and continuation would be lovely. After being stuck under this level here for so long, having that breakout backtest continuation would be really cool to see. Obviously right now very difficult to know what's going to happen next. Obviously low volume and interest in the crypto markets in general. People have been saying it's the lowest average volatility for Bitcoin that we have seen overall for the past week or so ever in Bitcoin's history, which is really interesting, isn't it? But you can see here we're probably heading down a little bit more for Bitcoin here, continuing to retrace into this area and really just chopping sideways for the best part of, what we're looking at now, 4 or 5 months. Really not that much movement in the markets. Made a slightly higher high up here at around 32k, but overall still stuck, just like XRP right now is probably going to be stuck in this area here for a while, or at least coming down into this previous area in my opinion. As you can see here, I did have this long position ready down here at this level, which actually has been triggered right now, so which is in a small amount of profit, but I will monitor this because obviously if we do see ourselves starting to come down below this level, probably going to continue to the downside and I will be getting out of that trade fairly early. But I'd say overall not that much happening right now for XRP, really just chopping sideways, and we are just waiting really for something to happen in terms of a fundamental push or a wider market push to see where we'll go next. So that is it for today, guys. Not that much to say today apart from XRP just chopping it up in a little bit of a range, and we are just waiting to see what happens next. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.